We have what we call file formats in Photoshop. You get my point? We have what we call a PSD. Do you know PSD?
PSD, no?
PSD in full is Photoshop editable file. When I come to save, like I have this, let me say, I want to save as. So that file format is this one, the first format. Are you seeing it? This is the P. It's called Photoshop editable file.
First zoom in.
I zoom. Zoom at your end.
Yes.
I'm unable to zoom. When you save your file, when you save, it will appear like this. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it?
The one you remember?
You don't remember?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
We have what we call a JPEG. JPEG is used by photographs. That's the normal photo, eh? Normal photo is JPEG.
Yes.
You get my point? Then you have what we call a PNG. A photo that supports background.
I get it, sir.
Yes?
PNG.
PNG.
Pardon?
PNG. PNG.
PNG.
PNG.
Support.
That's the format that supports
PNG.
removal of background. Yeah. Like if you want to save an image when it doesn't have a background, you save it as PNG.
Okay.
Haven't you ever seen such photo? Such?
They just have the photo background.
Yes, without a background. That is PNG.
Then JPEG is a normal photo.
It's a normal photo that you usually use.
Yes, sir.
A normal
photo usually use.
That you usually use. In another format, we have GIF. These are simple animations.
GIF.
GIF.
Is there like WhatsApp?
Yeah, those shorter ones on WhatsApp.
Is a normal animation.
Before I go any further,
Yes, sir.
Tell me some of the advantages of Photoshop. I mentioned about them when I was beginning.
Advantages of Photoshop.
Some of the advantages of Photoshop.
Photoshop, first of all, enables a coordinator to remove or edit the photo. They help also to change the format of the photo. They even help to make posts like banners, side pins, and make the small public Wi-Fi.
Okay, that's good. Advice from Photoshop one you can give: professional image editing. When you use Photoshop to edit image, the images are professional, not so?
Yes, sir.
Many creative tools, like it has many creative tools. You get it?
Yes.
allows editing without damaging the original images. Remember, you can save as a copy, eh?
After editing.
So I wanted us to see under this section some of the shortcuts used in Photoshop. When creating a new file, we use Ctrl N.
First edit. Shortcuts we use in Photoshop. There is
Ctrl N.
Ctrl N
for a new file.
for a new file.
Ctrl O
Ctrl O
to open a new, to open a file, not a new, but to open a file.
to open a file.
We have Ctrl S. S you think is used for what?
Save.
Is to save. We have
Yes,
Ctrl Z.
We use to go backward.
Undo. That's
And
the
it's like
professional
really
one. Yeah, it's common. Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste, Ctrl T transform, Ctrl A select all.
Yeah.
Let's to open Photoshop, you just go. Let me close it. You come, you can go to search, you open Photoshop, and then you double click it. Then it can it opens. To create a new file, you come here and then in new.
But your screen is no longer presenting.
It's no longer presenting.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Can you see now?
Yes, now I'm seeing it again.
If like I want to open up a new file, I come to file and then create new. Or I can use shortcut Ctrl N. Are you seeing it here?
Yes.
The one I gave you. Now this one means I'm creating a new. Then I give it dimensions. Dimensions, like measurements. For example, if I'm making a banner, it's different from when I'm making a poster. So you give appropriate dimensions, yeah? Then you create new. Now that's one we have created a new file for you to edit. Or new project.
So what I'm going to edit depends on the dimensions I want to use. What I'm going to, the dimensions I'm going to edit, this is it up to you. Okay.
So to save, you can create Ctrl S. Or you come here and then click Save As. Okay, then here you are able to change the format. So it's already 11. Adobe Photoshop is one of the most powerful tools for image editing, graphic design, learning. Its true layers and basic techniques help users to create professional quality designs. Okay.